Hi, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Aliquot Pro, so let's get started. Make sure that you can log into your site before attempting to log into Aliquot Pro. Please note that you will not be able to log into Aliquot Pro if your account is locked or if you are still using a temporary password. Enter your user ID or email address as it appears in your site. Letters are case sensitive and need to match exactly. Enter the same password used to log into the site. Letters are case sensitive and need to match exactly as it is saved in the site. The domain is the same URL used to access your site online. There is no need to enter www before the site name. Enter the site name and tap Login. Once you have successfully logged in, all your data will automatically synchronize to your device and you can begin using the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching!